Hi!
Open up!
Look a little young for the senior league,
I keep all my gray hidden under the helmet.
Ah, good tip.
Psychonauts!
Watch it. This disinfectant spray is lethal.
Got it!
Hi, kid.
Hey,
Are you sure you're old enough to be an intern?
hey, can I get a drink?
What, are you kidding?
Hey, coach. Hey, don't you have an intern to take care of?
She's on an important mission. I sent her out to get some Nunya.
What's Nunya?
Nunya business.
What do you think the mole is?
Oh, Sasha. 100%.
What?
I mean, that accent, right? It's weird. Where does it even come from?
Coach, I don't think...
Trust no one, Rasputin. No one.
Are you nervous about Maligula?
Let me put it this way. If that mass murderer did come back, who do you think she'd blame for what happened to her? Where would she come for revenge? Right here. I don't mean this bar, Raz. I mean the mother lobe.
I saw Sam. And listen, I think she has some issues with animals.
What? She's a bull. Bulls love animals.
I wouldn't eat those pancakes she's making.
Eat them? No. We're using them as heat shield tiles for the psychomech, so it doesn't burn up on re-entry.
Aren't you supposed to stay away from, you know, death machine plans?
This is no death machine, soldier. This is a machine of peace. To protect the people you love from Maligula.
What do you call your peace machine?
The psychomech battle bot.
Are you still gonna make that thing?
Those penny pinchers cut it from the budget.
Well, maybe that's a good thing?
Yeah. Now I can make it without any official oversight.
How are you gonna make it without money?
Son, the less you know about it, the better.
Yeah, no. Do you promise this isn't a plan to take over the world?
Rasputin, that was the old me.
Yeah, like 3 days old.
Anyway, with the money Forsyth's giving me, I couldn't take over this bar.
Well, I'll leave you to your plans.
Plans that will save your life, soldier.
Today's the day.
I love these things. Shouldn't you be wearing a mask?
Nah, I've got it in my blood. Yeah, well, might as well take some practice shots before the rest of the senior league gets here. Strike! Watch it. This distance.
Hey, Ford.
Shoes aren't ready yet.
What you doing there?
Trying to disinfect these bowling shoes. But I think I'm losing the fight.
Would you mind if I stepped inside your mind for a minute?
Sure. Better than you stepping inside one of these shoes. I tell you, it's like Germ City in there.
Giddy up! Whoa! Okay, it's just like a giant thought bubble. Made of bricks. Let's roll! Gotta remember where I parked that thing.
Please don't walk past the foul line.
Really? Ford? Wow. Ford and Lucretia dated? The couple that came here on the date, Ford and Lucy?
Yeah, they were just here a second ago. Cute couple.
Any idea where they went?
They went bowling. Duh! That away.
Yep. Here goes nothing. Whoa, whoa! Oh, wow. Hey, look at that giant Ford head. I wonder if there's any brains in there.
More than you got, Sonny.
The end is coming!
Oh, give it a rest, guy.
Death is coming from above! Guy was right. All hail Guy the Prophet.
If there's a piece of Ford's mind in here to reconnect, I'll bet it's up in that giant bowling. Out of my way! I gotta get to that giant Ford head before the city is sanitized. Looks like Ford and Lucretia were actually quite an item.
Come on, not in front of my friends. Listen to God, the end is nigh.
Why didn't you go home, Sonny?
That tickles.
Yep.
I'm gonna make you so
Hey
sick.
man, what's the rush? Don't you know the world's ending?
Hey, you down by that ball polisher. A little help.
What's that sound? Yep. This guy needs a duffel bag tag. hear something.
I needs to fix that rail crane, and you're gonna help me, okay?
I think I hear some emotional baggage nearby.
Sorry. That's not how these things work. They only polish balls.
You can squish me, but you can't squish the truth.
Yeah, that ball's too slick to ride now. Man, this thing's big.
I know what you're up to, kid.
Ew, slime. Ugh. Aha! This looks like the way forward.
Yes, this is the way. But the path to him is not always clear.
Thanks. Ah! Look out!
Hey,
Sorry.
Ah!
I'll pay for that.
Hey, I was in.
Excuse me.
Please!
Coming through!
Hey, I know that guy.
If I'm gonna get to Ford, I need to fix that broken rail on the Kingpin Express before someone arrests me.
This stuff wasn't in the way I told you. Let's say that. He's a maniac. Cool!
That's the stuff. Now, let's lay some track. When the world gets destroyed, I want it to be perfect.
Yes! Fix the Kingpin Express.
Buddy, that ain't the Kingpin Express. That's...
Stay. What was that? Ooh, this one's pretty. Kingpin Express, I'm coming your way. Oh!
Just keep out of my head, or you'll be sorry.
Well, I'll never. Ah!
Oh, ain't so tough without your ball I bet.
Hi.
Do that again.
Oh, you're asking.
Oh, ain't so. Hey, that doesn't. Do that again and you'll be sorry.
I like shiny things.
Break time's over, Germs.
What's the point? We're never gonna get this building finished before the big spring.
Hey, everybody! Atla's working again, so don't bother hoofing it upstairs on your own, whatever you do.
Hey, why'd you stop? Oh, come on, Elle. We talked about this.
You think that hurt? That didn't hurt.
Yes, back in action.
Attention! Our beloved elevator now goes all the way to the top. No need to climb up there on your own. In summary, all is well in the world again. Except, of course, that it's ending. Next time, I might not be here for you.
Man, when is quit?
As soon as we get this building up. Now let's get to work.
All right, let's show this kid what we can do, Al.
I knew you could do it.
What's that sound? I think I hear some emotional baggage nearby.
It's about time. Now, let's get to work.
What's the point of all this? The world's just going to end anyway.
Excuse me, but,
Have you found your path? Are you ready for the 10th frame?
You better get out of here. Those germs aren't lying about the...
I think this Ford-Lucretia romance was more serious than I realized. Hey, it's Ford and Lucy. Sorry. Didn't mean to ruin your date.
It's here! Just like I said!
Here comes the big
It's the end of space!
The big one!
Bring it
So beautiful!
Hey, bowlers aren't allowed in here. Now get before I spray you. Don't touch that. That's private. Oh!
You loved her?
Her name is Lucretia, but I called her Lucy. And even from that first date in that grimy bowling alley, I knew. Knew that it was too good to last forever? Hey, all relationships end one way or another. Well, I just didn't think it would end so badly. Hey, cheer up. Even gutter balls return. Eventually.
Only one more piece of Ford's mind to reconnect. I'm making progress. What if Maligula shows up here, and Ford's not ready? I need to hurry up.
Some brand new items here. Good selection. I'll admit, the main appeal of that one is looks. Good thing you bought that now. I was just about to raise the price. Careful how you use that one, Sonny. Excellent choice. That choice says a lot about you. Whenever you need more gear, the automatic will be here.
Scanning for fingerprint. Access granted.
Nice to see you again, Rasputin. And you've managed to stay clothed. Very good.
Wow. Look at all these gadgets.
Gadgets?
Sorry, machines. Psycho-reactive technology?
Rasputin, I thought you would recognize these for what they are. These are dreams. Where do you think machines come from? They spring forth from the human imagination. They are human thought made real. I invented that one when I was angry. When I designed that one, I was sad. That one, I was just hungry.
Incredible!
Glad you like them. You know, I'm not supposed to check out equipment to interns, but Agent 9 seems to put a lot of faith in you, my boy. So, if you'd like to try one out, just let me know.
Oh, man.
You shouldn't be back here. It's not safe. Also, personal bubble.
Agent Mentalis?
Yes, Rasputin?
Got any cool devices to lend out?
Shh! Interns aren't allowed to check out my devices. But if you were to take your time, say, delivering one of these to Sasha or Mia, well, that would be none of my business. This one is a thought tuner. Use it to find stray thoughts floating around the world. And this psi-enhanced camera is for creating photographic memories. I'd train you how to use them, but that would only increase my legal liability. Have fun. And thanks for delivering those items to Sasha and Mia.
What's your theory on the mole?
Oh, I really haven't thought too much about it. Maybe I should make a lie detector.
So is Maligula as bad as people say?
Oh, I don't like to think about that name. If my device had just worked better that day, so many things would be different now.
What device did you build to fight Maligula?
The hyperhyglaciator. It amplified our hydrokinetic powers and allowed us to freeze water semi-permanently. But Maligula threw our friend Helmet in the water just before the device went off. He was frozen so deeply in my hyper-ice, we were never able to recover his body. Only Ford saw it happen, and he's unable to tell us where to look for it.
How do these machines make contact with your mind?
The secret is the Psychonium. It's a psychoreactive quartz-like mineral that responds to and amplifies psychic energy. It vibrates with the psychic waves, driving the machines.
Well, I ought to let you get back to work.
Very, very humorous.
Agent Mentalis?
Yes, Rasputin?
Well, I ought to let... Maybe over here. So many brains.
All voluntarily donated upon death. I have all the paperwork, somewhere.
These people are all dead?
Their bodies are, and their brains are no longer capable of thought. But I've preserved them here, in the brain frame.
What for?
Experiments.
Ew. Really?
No room for the squeamish in psychic science, Sonny. The mind is the final frontier of humanity, and we've only begun to explore its mysteries. That is, after all, the true mission of the Psychonauts. Someday, my brain will live here, and yours too.
What?
Should have read that NDA more carefully.
They should really change that one's juice. Good curves on this one. Been in there too long. Is this one bubbling? I have a good feeling about this brain. I like this one. This brain gives me the creeps. I feel like this one came from a celebrity. I just want to squish that one. No. Don't like the undulations. Nobody's eaten you yet? Agent Mentalis?
Hey.
May I please borrow a brain?
Don't be so hard on yourself. Yours seems to be working okay.
No, I mean from the brain frame.
What? Those brains are part of a sacred trust. I am their guardian, and they will never leave the safety of the brain frame. Then again...
Yes?
Well, there are some brains I've been having trouble processing. I can't integrate them because they're missing donor IDs, consent paperwork, that kind of thing. Huge pain in the keister. I probably wouldn't even notice if one of those disappeared. Mm-hmm.
Well, I ought to let you get back to work.
Very, very humorous.
Hey, this one looks not bad. Not bad at all. Probably been a long time since you've had a visitor. I hope you don't mind pop-ins. Maybe I'm too late. Doesn't seem to be any life left here. Oh, hello. Can you hear me? My name is Raz. Who are you? How long have you been in here? What's your name?
Sorry. Oh, you. Sorry, I just haven't talked in such a long time. Oh my gosh, is that my voice? Is that what I sound like? What do you sound like? Oh my gosh, who are you? Are you not me?
My name is Raz.
Words. Words? You're saying words to me? What was that non-word sound I just made? Am I dying? No, not dying. I feel alive. Very alive. Who are you? Who am I? Am I anything? Am I everything? Am I God? Oh, I'm not sure, but I feel like I might be God, or the universe, or the ultimate cosmic oneness, or something in that jam. Am I right?
Well, basically right now, you're kind of a brain in a jar.
Huh?
But if you can remember your name, we might be able to find out what happened to your body.
I can't remember much of anything.
I believe you are suffering from extreme sensory deprivation. Years with no physical input has caused your memory and identity complexes to atrophy.
Oh, I am not ready for words that big yet.
I happen to know of a body that needs a brain right now to keep it out of trouble. If I were to place you in that body, you would start to receive fresh sensory input, which could trigger some of your lost memories.
Let's do it! Wait, what's a body? Aren't we all one?
I'll be right back.
What? Where can you go? This is everything.
I promise to be quick. While I'm gone, you try to remember stuff.
Okay, but please hurry. I'll try to remember when I created the universe. Or when I destroyed it.
If I put this brain into Nick's body, I think I'd be helping them both out. As well as helping me to get into the mail clerk's private office. Come with me, handsome. Have brain will travel. Back to the mailroom to put it in Nick's head. I'm getting the sense there are some stray thoughts nearby. I should people might think this thought tuner was talking, but I think it's getting closer. Thoughts! Straight thoughts!
Hey, has anyone seen Sherry?
Scanning. Access granted.
Ford! It's me, Raz, from Whispering Rock. I need to come in there and talk to you.
Sorry, senior staff only.
What? Really? Senior staff? Fine. I'll get Nick. He's senior staff. Nick!
TV?
Nick, how would you feel about an upgrade to your sense of self-protection?
Ooh.
Can you hear me? Ball of light. Are you in there?
Light, dark, and every flavor in between. But all these colors are just one band in this sensual rainbow of rainbows. What is this room, and how can I taste it all at once? And who composed this symphony?
Nick?
One symphony is beautiful, but 100 all at once? Oh, God, I can smell the Big Bang. There's an ant in the wall that's grinding its teeth. Everythingness, oneness, nothingness, nothingness, nothingness! Is this cashmere? It's too delicious!
I should really go back in there, but I'm just a little scared.
I was born at my funeral from the ashes of the Milky Way. We are just the ingredients. We are the flavor. Whew! The oven is too hot. I am aware of the position of my body in space and time, and space is aware of me. Cats are food, but so are we.
Hey, Nick, I've got something here that will help.
Is it a blindfold? Earplugs?
Better.
Oh, I don't know if you want to come in.
Whoa, 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 what the? Ball of light? Are you in here?
I'm here. Everything's here. Too many things are here.
You're experiencing a sensory overload. Try to stay calm. Whatever you do, don't have a...
Stay calm, man. Stay calm. My heart is racing. I have a heart.
I don't know how to beat it. It's just too fast.
Dear universe, please shut up! There we are. This is good. Let's stay here.
I don't like the looks of these, but I guess they're a sign that he's remembering something. Hope this is a good memory. Yep. Hope this is a good memory. I don't like the looks of these, but I guess they're a sign that he's remembering something. Where are we?
Shh. It's a quiet place.
I think I hear someone knocking.
I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything.
Come in?
Hey, I know you. You're Vision.
Yeah, and you're needed on stage. Come on, Psy King.
My dark place.
Psy King? tag. You know, Vision sounds a lot like my friend Ford. Were you in a band with Ford Cruller?
Good old Vision. He always had such a good eye for, visuals.
I see. Well, maybe when your full memory returns. How's everybody doing tonight? Okay, here's the situation. Nick's body is sending you all sorts of sensory input. Smells, tastes, visuals, sounds, tactile feedback. You've just got to deal with it.
We know how to deal with a crowd, man.
Speak for yourself. I don't remember a thing.
You know what this crowd wants?
Yeah, they came for a feast of the senses.
So give it to them.
Oh, wow, man, it's been so long, I don't even know where my violin is.
What is a feast of the senses? Is it a band?
Well, it's more than a band, man. It's a non-stop festival of sights, sounds, smells, feelings, and flavors. And yes, it was our old band, our old friends.
Who was in the band?
Besides me, there was Tasty, Dr. Touch, Audio, Sniffles, and of course on the mic we had the Psy King.
What happened to the feast?
Well, the audience just disappeared one day, and the band drifted apart. I'd do anything to get the band back together again.
I'll find your violin. Just tell me where you last used it.
Can I even remember what it looked like? If only you could see the world
The way I see it.
Huh. I thought the inside of an eyeball would be goopier.
Huh. This kind of reminds me of our old stage setup. Coincidence?